Hi, and welcome to the Best Buy vlog. My name is Ray, and in this video I'll be reviewing the Urbanears Alby True Wireless Headphones. When you use the Urbanears Alby in-ear sound isolating truly wireless headphones, you don't have to sacrifice style for function. Included in their box, you'll find both earbuds, a charging case, and a USB-C charging cable. You'll also find an instruction manual, a quick start guide, and 3 different sizes of silicone tips. These headphones are designed to fit snugly in your ear canal to block out external noise, which they are great at. Their wireless design connects to your device with Bluetooth 5.0, and they offer IPX4 sweat and splash resistance. Their battery provides 3 hours of playtime per charge, and their case can store an additional 4 charges for a total of 15 hours of playtime. I recently tried the Urbanears Luma, which are the non-sound isolating version of the Alby. They're truly wireless in-ear headphones. And unfortunately, the Alby and the Luma share one special problem. They seem to exist solely to wreak havoc on my social life. Urbanears earbuds come with tap and voice controls to make your life easier. I show some of those controls here, things like tapping to play or pause or skip to the next track, but they also have a 2-second touch to turn on voice control function, and unfortunately they're so super sensitive that my earbuds register taps that I'm not making. The result is a pair of earbuds that, despite generally being pretty great, seem to exist somehow solely to sabotage my social life. Making calls, giving me heart attacks, just regular stuff. So my recommendation is, before you unbox these earbuds, make sure to turn off the voice control functions on your phone. This is critical. I have instructions on how to do this for an iPhone or an Android in my blog post review. After you've turned off voice dial or voice access, everything is pretty easy. These earbuds quickly form a stable connection with my phone, and that connection continues without a glitch, even if I leave my phone on the dinner table and go outside to do a little bit of gardening. The sound quality of the Urbanears Alby was pretty regular. I didn't want to write home about it, but they weren't disappointing either. Where I was really impressed was their general level of comfort. There was something about their design that made them feel so secure, but also somehow so comfortable that I found myself wearing them around all day, even if I didn't even have anything playing on my earbuds. For my small ears, at least, the Urbanears Alby design was perfect. They were great for working out, standing in front of noisy range hoods, literally anything that I would get up to during a regular day. For more on these earbuds, make sure to check out my full review at the Best Buy blog. Thanks for watching.